What's good, YouTube? This is BR Pimp. And so I just did a video a few minutes ago talking about how my G1 was messed up and it was broken and accelerometer doesn't work on me. And so I called whatever and I finally got my UPS just finally sent my phone, my new phone. And so this time it actually came like wrapped in like paper or something, whatever. And so I'm gonna do the unboxing of the replacement phone, the G1. So here it is. So can't even open this darn thing. Let me hold on. Okay, so here's the box. It's got a paper to ship it back. It's got a defective seal that you put over here when you sent it back. It's got a stop before anything read paper. It's got this nice foam. And there's the phone with no back, just the phone and more foam. So here's the phone again. Doesn't look scratched, looks brand new, and looks just like my phone, obviously. Two G1s. Here's the back, whatever. And so there it is. They're both the same. Looks new. I don't think it looks broken or anything. But anyhow, so I'm gonna do the transfer if you want to watch. Gonna turn off my phone. I'm gonna turn off my phone. You can see the whole process. Alright, now I'm gonna take this thing out. The white G1s definitely came harder. The back is definitely tighter than the black ones. The white ones are harder to take out than the black ones. I know that because I had the black one myself. So I'm going to take out the battery, take out the SIM card, put the new SIM card in, and put the new battery in. And now I'm going to turn it on. And it's on. Yep, there it is. G1. Alright, well, thank you for watching, and I'm sure it should work. If it doesn't, I'll make another video, and then you'll see how it doesn't work. So, it should work. If it works, great for me. If it's not, then I'll get another one. And thanks for watching. I'll see you later. If you have any problems, just let me know. Alright, see you. Bye.